Copilot agents sound complicated, but you can build your own in minutes. No code, just plain English. Here's how in 7 steps. 1. Open Copilot, go to Agents and click New Agent. You're starting a brand new agent from scratch. 2. Describe what you want in the instructions box. This is where it all begins. Tell it the job, who it helps, and how it should sound. 3. Give it a name and one clear job. The best agents do a single thing really well, so keep it focused. 4. Now add your knowledge. And here's the golden rule. The more you give it, the better it gets. Upload the matching files, documents, and SharePoint sites it should learn from, so every answer comes from your information, not the whole internet. 5. This is the step that matters most, your instructions. Spell out its goal, its context, its tone, and what to do when it's unsure. The more detail you give, the smarter and more accurate its replies. 6. Test it. Ask the real questions your team would ask, and if an answer isn't quite right, click the pencil to tweak your prompt and try again. 7. Share it with your team. Publish it so everyone can use it, and the whole company gets the same fast, accurate answers. That's your first Copilot agent, built by you. The better the information you give it, the better it works. For help getting more from Microsoft 365, talk to Better IT.